This is how you can do the multicam editing or multi-angle editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. First thing first, you must have multi-angle clips with audio in each one of them and at least one high quality audio in one of these clips. You can also use this technique to edit even if you don't have the multicam or multi-angle videos. You can instead use the B-roll. Now drag all of these clips on the project panel and select all of these and rename them as camera 1, camera 2, camera 3 and so on. Now select all these clips, right click and select create multicam source sequence. It would open up a new menu and here we want to sync all the clips according to the audio one. So we'll select the audio one right from here, let it everything be default and then press OK. Now right click on this multicam sequence and click on the create new sequence from the clips and that would open up for this in the timeline. Now go to the preview panel and click on this plus icon and find this multicam icon and drag it over the toolbar. That way it would be available for you. Now click on this multicam icon and that will change your preview panel and it's going to show all of these angles right over here. Now play the sequence and click on any of these angles to add that to your timeline. You might not see any cut, but if you pause the play, you will see all these cuts right over here. You can use the mouse to click on any of these angles or you can use the 1, 2, 3 keys on your main keyboard and not on the numpad. You can also change these angles. Suppose you change your mind, then click on any of the clip in the timeline and choose the different angle and it would be replaced immediately. Now if you want to learn how to add the seamless transition to your videos, check out this video. The link is in the description section below.